Made by NutriBullet. Compatible with the NutriBullet 600 model only. We recommend replacing your extractor blade every 6 months or as needed for optimal performance. Included components: 1 emulsifier crossblade assembly. Material type: stainless steel plastic silicone. Top reviews from the United States. Cheaper than on NutriBullet website, worth it. This replacement blade is working perfectly on my NutriBullet blender. The original one it came with was leaking, not sure why, but it was gross. I was a little skeptical on getting one from Amazon, but it worked out great. No leaks, super powerful, blends frozen fruit, yogurt and whatever else I throw in my smoothie perfectly in about 30 seconds. Great buy.